Most risk registers are living documents in theory, but static in practice. They only update when something's already happened. The gap between it happened and we found out is where the real damage lives. Hi everyone, my name is Tara Lynch and I'm the product director here at Signal AI, and I lead the team building out our risk intelligence products. I've been working most recently on the Risk Scanner product, which is our latest launch to market and one that we're really excited about. The Risk Scanner is a tool that allows you to upload your risk register, and then Signal AI will then take all of the world's data and start watching those risks for you. It's essentially catching threats before they become problems. Risk teams are smaller and more stretched than ever before, while external risks are multiplying every single day. Cyber, supply chain, geopolitical, regulatory, reputational. Most teams are working off intelligence that's either weeks or months old or assembled by hand. The scanner closes that gap. You stop reacting to incidents and start acting on signals while you still have options to mitigate them. Our clients kept telling us the same thing. They didn't want more raw data. They wanted to be actually told what the risks were. That feedback shaped our product directly. And a really simple example of this is an international spirits and beverage client we had. They had to cut their risk team pretty significantly and simply didn't have the capacity to manually track shifting regulations and supply chain threats. They told us almost word for word that they needed a system that would tell them what mattered, rather than making them dig through loads of raw feeds and raw data. That insight, that tell me what I need to know, not just show me another haystack, is baked into how the scanner extracts and surfaces risks. The Risk Scanner is the fastest way to turn your organization's risks into a live automated monitoring system. So how it works in practice, you simply upload whatever you already have defined as threats that you care about. That could be a risk register. It could just be a list of things that are on your mind that you're worried that could impact your organization. Our AI reads it, extracts each individual risk, names it and describes it to build a custom scanning blueprint that is completely unique to you and your organization. And from that moment, we're continuously scanning and processing a global data set, tracking the risks that truly matter to you. Most tools in this space do one of two things. They either flood you with raw data and leave you to make sense of it, or they're actually built for PR and media monitoring users, and they have risk bolted on as an afterthought. Ours is the only offering built and trained specifically for risk professionals. But I think the bigger difference is the starting point. Most tools make you define keywords or Boolean queries from scratch, but the scanner starts with your risk register. It's the work that you've already done. So it maps the external world into categories that you already care about in your language. And then it draws on the partnerships that we have across 226 markets and 120 languages. The scanner is the starting point. What we're building on top of it is going to make us completely essential in every single business. For us, the direction is from detection towards decision. Deeper agentic analysis that doesn't just flag a risk, but it actually investigates and it recommends a response and an action. Beyond that, we're pushing much further into the concept of a dynamic risk register. Having the system propose updates to your register as the world changes, expanding you from your direct risks into adjacent and horizon risks across your whole ecosystem, and deliver you intelligence in whatever format the moment needs. We're going to be the team member who's working while you sleep. If you want to see it for yourself, getting started genuinely takes a matter of minutes. Reach out to your Signal AI contact or visit us to book a walkthrough at signal-ai.com.